Hello, my YouTube friends. This is Suniti, and it is 10 September 2021. And I'm showing you the leaf propagated African violet, which is now repotted. I'm at my daughter's place, and this is a bay window in which it rests. So I just wanted to show you how happy it looks here in this light. And we'll take a look at the back of it. I think there is something growing from the back. I was surprised to see it. Yes. Can you see that? That's the back of the leaf also is showing some small plants coming out, baby leaves you can see there. So that's one. See how nice and healthy the leaf is standing up, is really enjoying it. I had some difficulties transporting it. I put it in a yogurt pot. I took out the roots, careful so as not to damage them, and then put them in a yogurt pot and put some some paper, scrunched up paper, so that it doesn't shake about on the flight. So that's one. And the other one, which is even better looking, is this one. See, it is coming from this leaf, and it still has some soil. And see all those multiple plants coming from the base of the stem of this leaf. So this is also doing so well. So I think I will keep you updated once I get blooms or how it does. I think it's going to be very happy in this north facing window with lovely, can you see the beautiful evening light? So a little bit of light like this, sort of, it's not hot, but it is light. It's beautiful light. Okay, I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.